Welcome to KCSD Edmentum Training. This tutorial is for ExactPath. As a reminder, information and support for teachers and administrators using Edmentum products in KCSD can be found on the employee dashboard at db.kcsd.co. This tutorial will review the instructional use expectations for KCSD teachers and how to log into ExactPath as a teacher. Then there will be a quick overview of the ExactPath teacher dashboard and student learning paths. This should help teachers get started with implementing ExactPath with their students. ExactPath uses NWEA map data to design an individualized learning path for each student so that they are receiving instruction that targets their needs at their level to promote growth. Learning paths are created in 3 subjects: math, reading, and language. Learning paths are created at the conclusion of each testing window. This ensures that students are placed at levels based on their most recent assessment. In order to be effective, our KCSD district-wide goal is for students to focus on making progress on their learning paths, not just the number of minutes they spend in the program. Therefore, the emphasis should be placed on completing progress checks, which fall at the conclusion of segments of skill work on their learning path. A progress check assesses up to 4 skills and requires a score of 80% for each to show mastery. Each skill they show mastery of on the progress check is awarded with a trophy. If a skill is not considered mastered on the progress check, it is added back to their learning path for remediation. Again, effective use of ExactPath should focus on monitoring progress checks and the skills that are mastered, not working for a set amount of minutes. All KCSD users should access ExactPath through the Clever portal. This includes teachers and students. Administrators can access their accounts at login.edmentum.com and should use their district administrator credentials. The Clever portal can be found at apps.kcsd.co. To enter Clever, select Login with Google. Next, click on the large black E to access ExactPath. Most teachers will be automatically taken to the home page for ExactPath. If not, click ExactPath on the top banner. From this home page, teachers can view important notifications about student progress, as well as access subject-specific learning paths and quick links to additional ExactPath resources. To look more closely at student learning paths, choose a subject on the My Classes banner. Each subject has 2 learning path forms: current activities, and knowledge map. Each provides important information about students' progress on their learning path and allows the teacher to easily access additional resources for support and intervention. The current activities view shows the topics students are practicing, topics they have mastered, topics they are struggling with, and the topics they will learn next. The knowledge map displays student progress through their learning paths. It offers a higher level view than the current learning activities section and is especially helpful for monitoring students' mastery of grade level skills. Before we conclude, let's take a quick look at what students in kindergarten, first grade, and second grade see when they log into ExactPath through Clever. Notice how the interface is more mature for students in grades 3 through 5. The look for grades 6 and up is very similar to courseware, making the transition to that product more natural in high school. This concludes this tutorial for getting started with ExactPath and KCSD. For additional support, click on the purple Help Center button in ExactPath or contact Nikki Ingram at extension 1272 or email at nicole.ingram@kcsdschools.net.